guys, it's the Wondering Weasel back today. We're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we are in an absolute downpour right now. There is water standing in the roads. I'm going to take you down the back street right here in just a minute, down by the river over here at Gatlinburg. And we just come through it a minute ago, and there's a whole lot of water. So we're going to go down that way just in a second right here, guys. I'll show you that. Let's see if we can get down this little road right here. Got delivery trucks trying to unload. It's absolutely downpouring. You can see the river right over here, the creek. It is absolutely coming down, guys. Come on down the back road right here in Gatlinburg. I'm gonna show you this water, guys. It's, Lord have mercy. It's coming off the rooftops. You can see it splashing up there on the side of the vehicle, guys. There's a lot of rain. Good thing I didn't end up deciding to go hiking today. Back in the mountain, we'd have been drowned. You can see all this water, guys, coming off the vehicles going through it. I thought 100% positive we're not going to get a little bit of flash flooding there today. There's people on a chairlift trying to come off the mountain, drowned. I see a little bit of clear sky though back toward Pigeon Forge. Guys, this is a common thing in the summertime over here at the mountain. This is comes up, these pop up fast showers, and golly, the water. Guys, I'd say I'm running through probably 6-8 inches of water right here in the road. It's just absolutely running there which way. Guys, I just wanted to show you this. We are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Just give you a little bit of a rain storm here of what's going on. If you like this vlog, go give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. And this is the Wondering Weasel signing off.